Hey guys, it's Grim. Today I'm just gonna have some short videos. I'm making one right now because I got a lot of questions on how to remove devices in Domoticz, and that's quite straightforward actually. But if you can't find it and you don't know where to look, it's not easy to do. So when we go to the setup screen and we pick the devices settings, then you can see all of your devices over here. Now there's a couple which are my Kika switches that are in panic, and you see that over here, 3 times panic, and I just want to have those removed. So I'm just going to click on those three, and I was just trying to see where I could find it, but if you don't know that it's right up here in the upper left corner, you can see there's a small trash can item. If you click that, then you can actually delete all the items. So I've got those three deleted. There's no more panics anymore. I've got my second page, just checking. There's no error whatsoever anymore, so I'm going back to the first. Well, basically that's it. So it was a short video. If you've got any questions regarding to Domoticz, or you want me to try something and just publish it, please put it down in the comments. I would very much appreciate it if you do thumbs up and you follow me on my YouTube channel. Thanks guys. Cheers. Bye.